If somebody doesn't know how to mix concrete, my tip for the day is find somebody that can.
Rising and rising. We have a late edition.
Hey, morning.
Where have you been?
Hey?
What are you doing? Don't answer your phone. You just got to
it. In the police station.
Hey, old Doss man, how did you sleep, buddy?
Horizontally.
Parallel to the earth. This is Doss man's setup.
I was supine.
My
back.
He's taken the as we all know, I upgraded my blow-up bed. So Doss man's taken the coney ribbed bed, which is really good if you have any spine imperfections. Just really helps to flatten it out. That's old Dossy's setup. You happy there, Doss?
Like a pig in mud.
I tell everyone how good a warm drink here is in the morning. Can you describe? I know you've just had a few sips, but every video, every morning, I'm always like, there's something about a hot drink in a really cold house. And what's your experience so far?
It's like little coffee angels dancing on my tongue. Delectable. Delightful. Splendiferous.
Splendiferous.
Yeah.
Fuck. Dossman's always got the best words. Splendiferous. For some reason, it like reminds me of sperm. Something to do with like spiff. Spoof. So it's like little coffee angels dancing on the tongue.
Man. So don't stand in shower one.
Don't stand in shower one.
I said don't stand in shower one.
Dossman had shower one this morning.
Oh, how was it, Dossy?
I survived.
Yeah? Not?
Yeah. I didn't have the same experience as you, but I was worried.
Yeah.
I was trepidatious. I stepped in there. Gently.
Trepidatious. We're going to continue where we left off. Our plumber, Brett, will be making his way. He'll be connecting be running a main line for the downpipes through here, which will then drop down, go into this trench. It'll come up into the tanks, which is called a siphon system. We are going to be pouring a little concrete pad here for the water pump, which will be pumping the water from the tanks back into the house. We are also going to be pouring a concrete pad right here, which is where the water tank or the hot water cylinder is going to sit. So that is the plan for today, along with, I believe Dion is coming up to continue with the painting. And actually, we're not going to be attacking the landings today. We are going to be moving on to the painting, because while we've got Dion and Dossman here, we're going to be sanding and just prepping this ready for paint. So that is our main objective, primary targets for this week.
This is the tip of the day. If you have a pond, you haven't got water on, mixing concrete, water, pond. Okay, when I'm mixing concrete in the barrow, plenty of water.
Too much water.
Get nice and sloppy. First bag.
If someone doesn't know how to mix concrete,
Yes, sir.
what's the general ratio per bag? Why didn't we get rapid set?
You told me not to.
Yes, I did.
No,
I said rapid set.
you did not. I asked you and
Yeah.
you said no.
No, I said yes, and then I said but there is time because they're going to be here at 12. They won't get them until the end of the day. But rapid set still would have been. This is going to dry before the end of the day if they get here.
This won't.
Whose fuck up is that?
That's your fuck up.
That's yours. You said, should I get rapid set? And I said, yeah. And then I said, but there is time. So you used the but as an assumption. Who's whinging right now? Am I whinging?
Calm down, baby. Eat a bit of cheese.
It's calm down, baby. Have a piece of cheese.
What is that?
Don't have a cow. Trina will know that one.
That's my wife. Yeah. Just to tell you a little story. Curtis used to be a smart little shit.
I still am. Pretty smart, you know.
One day, Trina was having a little bit of a hard time with him. Very patient lady, my wife. She was pushing all the buttons.
Yep.
I can't remember the true saying that you come out with.
Did she lose it?
No!
Huh?
No, didn't lose it.
Did she snap at me?
She might have given you a little bit of a growling.
Well, she can't be that patient then, can she?
Could have said something to the effect of,
You've got mum trauma.
I have. Calm down, baby. Or don't have a cow. Calm down, baby. Eat a bit of cheese or something. Well, how'd it go, Kurt?
Whenever the parents would nag, in the background I'd say, calm down, baby. Have a piece of cheese. Don't have a cow. That was a saying that my mate Joel Bennett used to come up with, and we just used to say it. And then Trina snapped at me one day. She's like, stop saying that to me. You're so rude. And I remember at the time in my head going, calm down, baby. Have a piece of cheese. What did you call him? What did you call him? Nos.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
So
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've actually got a mate in New Zealand.
Yeah.
His name's Kane Hannum. He's probably going to watch this at some point and feel privileged that I just mentioned his name.
Yeah.
Because he should.
You docked him.
I've docked him.
You docked
I've
him.
docked him.
You docked him.
But his nickname's actually Nossie.
Yeah.
And I reckon he might also feel offended.
Okay. I bet it.
But
Yeah.
you know how we were talking about how a woman will always go for an upgrade?
Yeah.
We've upgraded.
Sorry, Kane.
Sorry, Kane. Back to the work, because I've done sweet fuck all today. We good?
Yeah.
You're recording, Bob? Sorry, I should have mentioned we're recording.
Oh, I know that, mate. I can see where it was.
Cool, well, you'll be in this episode.
Yeah.
You've been gaining a bit of attraction.
Why, who?
But oh sorry, not attraction, but you're attractive, but more from, I had my brother call me and be like, you need to do something more with Bob. I told you you were a main character.
Tony, you remember the young lady I was telling you about this morning?
Yes, I do, Bob.
Yeah, well, anyway, I was talking to Stuart, and Stuart said, don't you think he's good looking? And she said, no, so I'm not attractive.
Liking the content, make sure you like and hit that subscribe button. I have to do this now.
I know, mate, you do pretty good videos, actually.
So we've poured landing for the hot water cylinder. All the copper piping has been delivered and all the fittings for all the water pipes underneath. Dossman came and cleared out these trenches early this morning, so it's nice and clean run for the plumber when he gets here. Here's the pad for the water pump, and so all is going well. We've got Marshall Anderson, our roofer, who's up doing a bit of a measure. Jump up there and say hello to the boys. This is Marshall. This is the roofer on site, comes to do a bit of a measure up and get this roof looking pretty. How's the roof looking right now, Marshall?
Pretty healthy.
So we'll be capturing more footage of this when it happens. Grand Rising. Didn't get a moment to cap off yesterday where we got to. We managed to get the landings poured for the hot water cylinder and for the pump. Got it all happening here this morning. We've got old Dossman getting ready. We'll be teaming up today. So you're going to have the Doss and the K-Raz duo coming at you.
The K-Raz?
The K-Raz.
That's you?
Yeah, K-Raz. That's an old alias name of mine. It's kind of like short for crazy.
Okay.
Crazy, you know, without the Y, but with a K.
I thought it was for K-Razzle Dazzle.
Or K-Razzle Dazzle will do.
You gotta hit him with the old Razzle Dazzle.
Razzle Dazzle. So we're going to be up here prepping, continuing with the paint stripping back. We're going to be ripping off the gutters today. We're going to be getting these fascias prepped, ready for roof in the coming week, possibly two. So there's a bit of prep work we're going to be doing for that. Old Dion's back on site today, so he's going to be teaming up with Dad. Got the young fella. You want to be in the video, bro? This is Kai. This is our plumber. It's the plumber's apprentice. He's on site running all our pipes. We got Brett. This is the main man, plumber on site. He's coming to run our pipes for us. Happy to have them here. So,
Happy to be here, mate.
Happy to be here. That's the plan for today. Getting into it. Let's go.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a drink. best one that you've ever seen.
Back in the city where the lights stay wild. Bass hit heavy, got a club on trial. Shorty too bad, got a dangerous smile. On the headline, maybe not just a stop. Pull up clean, no stress on me. Wrist on cold, neck like sea. Boys talk tough, but they fold on beat. I don't play fair, just play elite. Late night text like, where you at? Told her on the way, I move like that. No brakes, no cap, I'm built to last. She want one more round, I told her bet fast. Don't sleep till sunrise, ride with me. Lights down low, move silently. Girl, you got that fire, breathe. So don't let go, just ride with me. Hands on me like that.
Sanding back these weatherboards back to timber for the front entrance so we get the cleanest, best look. Let's go up and take a closer look. Alright, so we're up here. We've taken all the gutters off, back to fascia, and we've used a bit of filler in all of the holes. Initially we were going to run Hardy's fibre cement sheet, just have a drip edge, as some of these gaps were a bit open. But as we started pulling off the gutter, we just made the exact decision to just strip it back, sand it back, and not worry about the Hardy's board. Saying that, the Hardy's would have been a really good idea. Would have been quite time efficient. Wouldn't have had to be doing any of the sanding or patching any of the holes. Could have just ripped it at the width of the original fascia with just maybe a 5 or 10 mil drip edge. Nailed it on, glued it on and nailed in behind where the gutter will go. But yeah, we've made the decision not to, so we'll roll with it. And that's where we're at. So I will see you back downstairs. Now that I've magically teleported back down the bottom, I only get about 2 teleportions a day. Teleportions. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We have our poo pipes in, which goes directly to our toilet. And so this won't be getting backfilled at all today, as we will have to have this inspected at a later date. But for now, boys are going hard, getting the tanks plumbed in. So once our downpipes are hooked up, they'll feed in through the main line here and come up through the siphon system and feed into the tanks. Big moment here. The boys are done. The temporary power is connected to the water pump. We now have running water. Listen to it. That is the sound. That is the sound of a sweet angel humming in a B octave. Let's head inside and test out the shower and the toilet. Guys, this here we have spent. Right now we are on technically week 5, but it's actually more like week 4 because we had an interrupted week last week, went home early. So we've spent 4 weeks here. We've spent multiple other weeks here in the past when we moved the house here, when we stumped the house down the road. So I'd say a total of about 8 weeks between the 2 houses of living in a place with no services, no toilet, no showers. So this is a really big moment. This is a milestone. Let's do this together. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Tap. Yay. Oh, we got a bit of a leak. That's okay. That's an easy fix. Test number 3. Hey! Let's go. Let's go. For now, I'm a happy man. Cold showers it is. And yeah. Let's go.